A very good morning to all my dear kids. Welcome to you all in the maths class. Today we are going to do some very interesting thing which you all see during this puja vacation. Now let us start with a bill. So first we have to know what is a bill. A bill is a written statement that we get from the service providers that tell us the amount we paid for various services or purchases we made. So I hope you all have once gone through the bill when you all have done the shopping. So now we can see different types of bill. We can get a telephone bill. It will be there at home. Just have a look on that. Then we will also see gas bill. This is very common. Please, when your gas cylinder comes, the gas service provider provides you a bill. Next, we have all seen electric bill. Tell your parents to show you that this is also there at your home. Shopping bill. When we shop something from a shop, the service provider gives us this written statement, and this is very important to collect a bill from the service provider whenever you buy something, because this is a proof that you have paid money to the service provider. Now let us see how to make a bill.
So now in this part of this video, we are going to learn how to make a bill. Now suppose these items are given to you for making a bill. So what are the items? First let us see. Cheese sandwich 1, vegetable roll 1, cookies packet 1, samosa 1 and 1 burger. Okay, so these are the items for which you have to make a bill. Now see, for making a bill, first of all you will draw a line over here, and here again we will draw some lines. First we will draw here a small line, after that again a small line, and then we will draw again a line over here, and after that for making the bill we will draw this line and this one. So just follow how I am making the columns, then I will show you where what to write. Just follow the video properly. So first you have to make your maths copies page like this. You will not do this one, just you will draw the lines like this, how I have drawn, to make a proper bill. Now we will follow some steps. In the first step, to make a proper bill. Now we will follow some steps. In the first steps, first of all we will write the name of the shop. So I am writing the name of the shop like snacks shop. You can give any name. Then the phone number of the shop. So you can write here any number of 10 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, after that you have to write down the name and leave the space. That means here you have to write the name of the customer who will be buying this all things. So you can write anyone's name. Suppose I am writing Riya Datta. Okay, a bill number Any number you can give. Obviously the date, don't forget to write down the date when you have made this bill. And here you can put the address of the shop. So I am writing any one address. You can write also any address. No particular address is there for making the bill. So this first step is over, where we have to introduce the bill number, date, shop's name, shop's phone number, shop's address and the name of the customer. Now in the first column we will write serial number. SL is the short form of serial number. Next, items. Next, quantity. Next, price. And the last one is amount. Okay. Now, what we have purchased? First, we have to make the bill for the cheese sandwich. So, we will put here serial number 1. Okay. Then, we will write cheese sandwich. Every product's name you have to write in this column. How many cheese sandwich? Only 1. Next, number 2. So 5 items you have brought, so you can just first put the serial number. Number 2, a vegetable roll. Only 1. Cookies packet. 1. Samosa 1 and 1 burger 1. Now what we will do in the next step? Now see, for these items a price list is given. In every bill there will be a price list when you will make a bill. So see, as we have first we have there cheese sandwich. So let us see what is the price of the cheese sandwich in the price list. So the cheese sandwich is rupees 25. So here we will write rupees 25. Okay. Next is a vegetable roll. So what is the price of the vegetable roll? 35. So again we will write here 35. Cookies packet. So the price of the cookies pack here is rupees 40. So here we will write rupees 40. Then we have a samosa. So the price of the samosa is rupees 5 only. So we will write 5 in the ones column. It will be easy for us for the addition. Next we have a burger. So the price of the burger is rupees 40. So in the next column, that is the amount column, as you have already brought only one piece for the each item, so there is nothing to do in the next column, but just the same price you have written here you will write here. So rupees 25, just write down the same thing. 35, 40, 5 and 40. Now what is the main thing we have to do in the last columns? We have to add these all numbers and write it down here. So let us see what is the total amount. So we will put here a rupees sign first. Next, first we will add the ones column. So here is a 0, 5, 0, 5, 5. That means 5 plus 5 plus 5. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 or 3 5s is same as we have already learned this one in multiplication. So 15. So 5 we will write here and 1 will be carry. Next 4 plus 4 is 8. Then 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 1, 14. So we will write here 14. So the total amount is rupees 145. So for these 5 items, the customer Riya Datta have to pay rupees 145. So follow this full bill very carefully. Whenever you will make a bill, follow the steps properly. Again I am repeating once more from the starting of the videos. First you have to write a shop's name, phone number, address, bill number, date and the customer name. Then make a column for serial number, items, quantity, price and amount, and at the last you will do the addition of. So I hope you all have understood this, how to make a bill. Follow this one, do this same in your maths classwork copy, and in the next video I will give you activity to make a bill. So till then, thank you and have a nice day.